Welcome to our video on the exciting field of biobusiness management. In this video, we will explore what biobusiness management is and why it is such a promising sector for aspiring professionals. Biobusiness management is the practice of managing and overseeing the business operations within the biotechnology industry. This industry involves the application of scientific principles to develop products and services that address various challenges in fields such as healthcare, agriculture, and environmental conservation. Biobusiness managers play a crucial role in ensuring the successful commercialization of these innovative technologies. One of the main reasons why biobusiness management is so compelling is the tremendous potential for growth and positive impact. The biotechnology industry is continuously evolving, with new breakthroughs and discoveries being made every day. By working in biobusiness management, you can be at the forefront of these advancements and contribute to solving some of the world's most pressing issues. Another reason why biobusiness management is so fascinating is the diverse range of career opportunities it offers. As a biobusiness manager, you can work in various capacities, such as strategic planning, product development, marketing, and operations. Whether you have a background in science, business, or both, there is a place for you in this field. Biobusiness management combines the best of both worlds, blending scientific knowledge with business acumen. In addition to the intellectual satisfaction and societal impact, biobusiness management also offers excellent financial prospects. The biotechnology industry is known for its high growth potential and excellent investment returns. As a result, professionals in biobusiness management often enjoy competitive salaries and attractive career growth opportunities. In conclusion, biobusiness management is an exciting and rapidly growing field that offers a unique blend of science, business, and innovation. Whether you have a passion for biology, a drive for business, or a desire to make a positive impact through technology, biobusiness management could be the perfect career path for you. So, if you're ready to combine your passion for science with your business skills, get ready to embark on an incredible journey in biobusiness management. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or would like more information, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.